Nails are fascinating structures made primarily of keratin, the same protein found in hair and the outer layer of skin. Unlike other parts of the body, the visible portion of the nail, called the nail plate, is composed entirely of dead cells. This explains why trimming your nails doesn't hurt. There are no nerve endings in this hardened tissue to transmit pain signals. The nail plate sits atop the nail bed, a layer of living skin with blood vessels and nerves. But as long as you only clip the free edge of the nail, you won't encounter any discomfort. Beneath the cuticle lies the nail matrix, the factory where new nail cells are produced. These cells are pushed forward as they mature, gradually hardening and losing their living properties. Understanding this anatomy demystifies why nail care is painless when done correctly. It also highlights the importance of distinguishing between the dead nail plate and the sensitive tissues beneath it to avoid injury. By focusing on the non-living part of the nail, you ensure a safe and pain-free grooming routine. The growth process of nails begins in the nail matrix, a hidden area beneath the cuticle at the base of the nail. Here, specialized cells continuously divide, producing fresh keratinocytes, the building blocks of the nail. As these cells multiply, older ones are pushed outward, dying and compacting into the hard, translucent nail plate we see. This process is slow but constant, with fingernails typically growing about 3 millimeters per month and toenails even slower. The lack of nerve endings in the nail plate means that trimming it doesn't trigger pain, as long as you avoid cutting into the nail bed or the quick. The pinkish hue of healthy nails comes from the blood vessels beneath, visible through the clear keratin. Factors like age, nutrition, and overall health can influence nail growth rates, but the underlying mechanism remains the same. Living cells at the matrix transform into the dead tissue we clip. This natural cycle ensures that only the non-sensitive part of the nail is ever removed during grooming. Proper nail clipping techniques are essential for maintaining healthy nails without causing pain or damage. Start by using clean, sharp clippers or scissors designed for nails, as dull tools can crush the nail or lead to uneven edges. Trim straight across, avoiding rounded corners, to reduce the risk of ingrown nails. It's crucial not to cut too close to the nail bed, where left tissue and nerves reside, as this can cause discomfort or even minor injuries. For toenails, leaving a slight margin is especially important to prevent pressure from shoes from driving the nail into the skin. Regularly cleaning your tools with soap and water or disinfectant helps prevent infections. Additionally, moisturizing the cuticles and surrounding skin keeps them flexible and less prone to cracking. By following these simple steps, you can ensure a pain-free and hygienic nail care routine. Understanding the anatomy and growth of nails makes it easier to appreciate why proper technique matters. Keeping your nails neat while protecting the delicate structures beneath. Nails begin their journey in the nail matrix, a hidden area beneath the cuticle at the base of the nail. This matrix is the production hub for keratinocytes, specialized cells that generate keratin, the sturdy protein that forms the nail plate. As fresh cells emerge, they multiply and push older cells forward in a slow but steady march toward the fingertip. Over time, these cells undergo a transformation. They harden, lose their moisture, and eventually die, becoming the tough, translucent nail plate we see. The process is continuous, with fingernails growing about 3 millimeters per month and toenails slightly slower. Since the visible part of the nail is composed of these lifeless cells, trimming or clipping doesn't trigger pain. The living, sensitive tissue, home to nerves and blood vessels, remains safely nestled beneath the nail bed, shielded from the clippers. Understanding this cycle highlights why nail care is painless when done correctly, as long as the cutting stays confined to the non-living portion of the nail. This knowledge also underscores the importance of gentle handling to avoid damaging the delicate growth center, ensuring healthy nails in the long run. To ensure a pain-free and safe nail clipping experience, it's essential to use the right tools and techniques. Start by selecting clean, sharp nail clippers or scissors designed specifically for nails. Dull or dirty tools can cause splitting or introduce bacteria, leading to potential infections. Before clipping, Wash your hands and nails to remove dirt and soften the nails slightly, making them easier to trim. When cutting, aim for straight across or slightly rounded cuts, depending on the nail type. Avoid cutting too close to the nail bed, the pinkish area beneath the nail, as this is where sensitive live tissue and nerve endings are located. Cutting into this area can cause pain, bleeding, or even lead to infections. For toenails, straight cuts are particularly important to prevent ingrown nails, which occur when the edges grow into the surrounding skin. After clipping, gently file any sharp edges with a nail file to smooth them out. This step prevents snagging and reduces the risk of accidental tears. Regularly cleaning and disinfecting your tools after use helps maintain hygiene. By following these simple practices, you can keep your nails healthy and avoid unnecessary discomfort or injury.